Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2016 Terrian Dennali. This is a super low mileage car. Silver in color, absolutely loaded up, and I'll show you everything about it. It's in great shape. Got some snow and some ice down here, so sorry about the ice on the side. I didn't want to wash it and freeze the darn thing up. It's supposed to be, I don't know, single digits tonight. Tires are in pretty good shape on it. They're all like this. I presume that they're probably original. Body's in great shape. You can see a little bit of ice drippings on the side, sorry. Rear bumper's in great shape on it. There's no dents, there's no dings. All-wheel drive, of course. This is a super nice car. Let me show you more about it. Got a power rear hatch on it. Of course, the rear seats, they fold down. This makes a flat load floor. Spare tire located in the rear. Car does not smell like smoke. Here's second row seats with the beige insert, center armrest. Super clean. Driver's door, driver's seat. Seats are programmable. Of course, power seats. They're heated. Automatic. Does have navigation. 20 some odd thousand miles on it. Got steering wheel controls. Forward collision. Lane departure, cruise control, of course. Like I said, got heated seats, got cooled seats, or heated seats, I'm sorry, not cooled seats. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.